Hi, was Samanath. So today market though quite volatility, it's just a preparation. We can say that the main hangama is on tomorrow because tomorrow is Bihar election result announcement. There vote counting. So tomorrow we can expect a big hangama, and as well as that is a weekend also. So both together there would be a heavy volatility we can expect. Let we see. But whatever maybe the government wins with marginally, it wins. I think 122 is the target it's required. So just about 20 122, less than 150 it takes. There won't be much benefit to the market. It takes a light positive. But if crosses more than 180 or 200, like a sweep, then that would be a very good give a very good momentum to the market. Let we see. And one more important thing, today Bank Nifty made a new all-time high, 558,650. That and all we will say in the chart. So before going to the chart, a disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here for educational purpose, just to sharing my views. A good trader or investor always have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With that understanding, we'll proceed. One more request: you may feel this video may be irrelevant to you, but if you share it in other WhatsApp groups, maybe it helpful to some other people. So please do share and like. Okay. So yesterday I said based on the ATR indicator, Nifty's downside support would be 24,800. Upside target would be 26,500. I said based on the ATR. So there are many kind we can see the target. One is in the chart price action. So this is based on the ATR only. So for Nifty's monthly average two ranges 1,255. Similarly for Bank Nifty, the monthly average two ranges 3,150. So based on this, the downside would be 55,500. The sub it may go. Otherwise, in the higher side, 60,300 it may go. So there are high possibilities in the higher side only, both for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so about today's market performance, Nifty today just a flat closure we can say that, but it actually have to close plus 125 point, but around 1:45 p.m. Market started to come down. So closely around flat it has closed. Similarly, large cap just to 5 point possibly closed. Mid cap minus 72, small cap minus 69, and micro cap minus 21 point. So this looks all are minus. We no need to take this as a negative perspective because last couple of days market is in the higher side. So there would be a positive profit booking. That's what had happened today. So we no need to concern with the perspective of negativity. This and all. Bank Nifty today 107 point positively closed, IT minus 175 point. About the sectoral indices, metal made a 0.44 percentage positive closure. In the downside, media minus 0.55 percentage negative closed. So if you see the overall sectoral performance, 50% of sectors positively closed, 50% of sector negatively closed, but either of not significantly made a positive or negative. So it's something we can say it's a balanced. We can say that. Now we will see the overall uh, uh, performance of the market by chart. So if you see 25,650 is a very, very strong support. Now Nifty around 200 250 points, it is above to that, and it's the momentum is in the upside only. So the immediate resistance, minor resistance, I can say that would be 26,100. The last swing high would be act as a or minor resistance. So there is high possibility easily this by this time it will break. Even tomorrow there are chances it may touch this and it may break also. Let me see. So the overall overall what is a for Nifty is positive sentiment, we can say that. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so I said today, if you see this made a all-time high. So the last all-time high it made on 23rd. That day it had made 58,578. Today it made 58,616 it made all-time high. So this is in very good momentum. So obviously this leads to the Nifty to in the higher side. Similarly, if you see the bank Nifty IT, so earlier videos I clearly said that this level will all take some minor resistance. The same thing had happened yesterday. It exactly closed at this range, and today we can able to see some minor profit booking, but overall sentiment or overall momentum still in the higher side only. So obviously this is the second highest weightage in the Nifty. So this progress in the higher side automatically leads Nifty to the higher side. So both bank Nifty and Nifty IT in the positive momentum. So we can expect Nifty 6,500 as I said earlier for this month. Similarly, if you see the mid and small 400, this index includes mid cap 150, small cap 250 collectively. So this index will give you a very good market perspective, most reliable index I can say that. So the immediate distance is 26,600, just 200 points away from that. So this is exactly at last swing high. So this similar to the bank Nifty and Nifty 80. So if you see the correlation, everything on the previous swing high, so there is high possibility it break in the higher side. So overall sentiment about our Indian market is very good, and nothing is negative. Yeah, then our big brother US market. Yesterday Dow closed positively 326 points, S&P 500 4 points, and NASDAQ Composite Index minus 61 point. Yesterday Dow made a new all-time high. You can see in the chart. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, it is near all-time high, and NASDAQ Composite Index also on all-time high zone only. Again, we can expect on the positive higher side momentum. So if you see the overall US market also, there is no negativity. So this in turn will give a positive sentiment to our market also. So with this perspective, the overall market is very good positive momentum, and we can able to see the optimism. No need to panic. So this about the market. Now we will see the stocks. We will used to see in F&O segment the top two gainers and top two losers. With that respect, PGEL, Ashok Leyland we will see. Similarly, in the losing side, Eternal and PH Industries. So these stocks we will see one by one. First, PG Electroplast. So if you see in the day candle, so this is traveling in the range between 500 and 575 since August. It is consolidating. So though today this stock nearly 6% is positively closed, it is still within this channel. It did not break the channel. So the breakout has to happen for the next higher side moment. Then we will see Ashok Leyland. So if you see clearly it is in the channel. If you see this channel, it clearly in the higher side it is traveling, and it break out this channel. So again there could be a profit booking. So if that happen, 144 will act as a minor support. The major support at near 130 we can expect. About Eternal, so this is in the negative side. The 290 it attacks a minor support. The first level of support we can say that you should not break. If it breaks, the next level would be 270. There is a high chance it may break this first level support, because we can clearly see that the gap. So it may break and it may fill this gap again from 270. It may turn back to in the higher side. That's what the chart shows. Then Page Industries. So now it is exactly at support level. 40,000 is a very strong support, though it is close to 39,585. Because of it, the higher priced stock, 500 rupees breakdown is, we no need to consider as a breakdown. It is exactly at the support we can consider. So with that respect, it is strongly at support. It may turn from here. If it unable to turn, if it make another red candle within this break down, then we can expect a 13,600 is the next level of support. So this is this is in the weekly chart. So in case you are considering any of these four stocks, please do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So with this we wind up this video. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.